Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Cryptocoryne Wendtii green. First, carefully take your Cryptocoryne Wendtii green plant out of its packaging. Gently rinse the roots under cool water to remove any debris or excess substrate. Next, use a pair of sharp aquarium scissors to trim away any roots that look damaged or are excessively long, leaving about 1 to 2 inches. If you have a large clump, you can gently separate it into smaller individual plantlets, each with a few healthy leaves and roots, for easier planting and better spread. Now let's talk about planting. Cryptocoryne Wendtii green thrives in a nutrient-rich substrate, so aim for a layer about 2 to 3 inches deep in your aquarium. Using your fingers or tweezers, create a small hole in the substrate where you want to place each plantlet. Carefully insert the plantlet into the hole, making sure that the crown, which is where the leaves emerge, remains completely above the substrate. Burying the crown can lead to rot, so be mindful of this crucial step. For optimal growth, Cryptocoryne Wendtii green prefers low to moderate lighting. Aim for about 8 to 10 hours of light exposure each day. Regarding water parameters, maintain a stable water temperature between 72 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. These plants are quite adaptable, but they do best in water with a pH level that is slightly acidic to neutral, typically ranging from 6.0 to 7.5. Consistent conditions will help your plants flourish beautifully. Finally, let's discuss ongoing care. Cryptocoryne Wendtii green benefits greatly from regular fertilization. You can use a liquid aquarium fertilizer or root tabs inserted near the plant's base, following the product's instructions. Performing weekly water changes of 25 to 30% will help maintain water quality and provide fresh nutrients. Also, periodically trim any older, yellowing, or decaying leaves to encourage new, healthy growth and keep your plant looking vibrant and lush in your aquarium.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.